You heard Mark and Aaron mention crews have started plowing and treating roadways, but they do expect conditions to deteriorate during the overnight hours.
They are strongly encouraging everyone in the metro area to stay off the streets in the morning if you're able to. Meanwhile, Oklahoma City officials, including Mayor Holt, EMSA, and OG&E, also giving an update.
News 4's Caitlin Ogle joins us live near the Belle Isle Bridge that Mike was talking about, and it was a big problem spot for drivers earlier. Katie?
Absolutely, it was. All day we were watching them go up and down those hills, and I can tell you right now it's a pretty stark contrast. On our way here, we only saw about 20 or so cars, but actually right next to us is a semi who's been having a little bit of trouble. Mike, when you were talking earlier, he was actually spinning out, and he's been trying to get out of this spot for quite some time now, and unfortunately this was the scene pretty much all day today on the roads, especially on the Belle Isle Bridge behind me, as we were just talking about. Now, city officials say crews started their 12-hour shifts at midnight, treating and working the roads with the city's 29 trucks. At the beginning of the day, the city had about 10,000 tons of salt ready to use. They say if you somehow end up behind one of those trucks, you're going to want to stay around 100 feet back or so. You want to give them plenty of room. And Oklahoma City police say they're no longer responding to non-injury accidents, only the ones where people are hurt. And EMSA says today they responded to 39 car crashes. Earlier, a spokesman told us on a typical Friday or on a typical day in February, they respond to about 10. Remember, the city has about 20 snow routes, and you can go online and see them. Meanwhile, OG&E says it's mobilized 4,000 staff members just in case an outage happens, like the one we saw in the Village in that area. The company says today they've had significant outages, all because of cars crashing into power poles. Mayor Holt says that's one of the reasons why he wants you to just stay at home if you can.
They've had to repair multiple poles already today that were hit by cars. So it's not just about your own personal safety. It can impact our power grids. Obviously, stay home if you can. If you don't have that option for some reason, then please exercise the utmost care for your own safety and for the safety of other residents.
Saturday. Now, again, this weather is absolutely miserable. My hands are absolutely numb. I'm wearing about 3 or 4 layers, and this wind, when it hits you, is just absolutely brutal, and it's taking the wind kind of right out of me. So I'll send it back to you.
Okay. Well, come in and get warm, Katie. Thank you.